Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make my mom's quick and easy chili recipe. The ingredients that you will need are Crystal hot sauce or any hot sauce of your choice, 1 onion, 1 green pepper, 2 cans of petite diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of dark kidney beans, 1 can of light red kidney beans, and also the secret ingredient, Busch's Chili Magic. You will also need salt and pepper, any hamburger of your choice. For this video we are using ground sirloin, and we're also going to have some corn muffins with it. We're frying the meat right now for the chili. Then we're going to chop up our onion and our green pepper. We have 1 tablespoon of butter right here. You're going to take this and saute the onion and the green pepper together. You're going to saute the green pepper and onion until they're translucent. The next step is you're going to add the cans, the petite diced tomatoes and also tomato sauce into the chili, which is what we've done here. The next step is to drain your kidney beans, the dark and the light one. Make sure that you rinse the coating off and also drain it. You don't want that, that mixture that they have in a can into your chili. So make sure that you rinse the beans very thoroughly. Now add the dark and light kidney beans into the pot of chili, and you're going to use 1 can of water. We've added 2 teaspoons of the Crystal's hot sauce to this. Now what we've done is we put it onto the stove and we're going to let it simmer. Alright everyone, here's my mom's quick and easy chili recipe. It's definitely awesome. It tastes so good, and it will be a favorite of yours as well. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. Share this video with your family, friends, and co-workers so that way it helps promote our channel. Again, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.